like a diamond in the sky. While I sing these rhymes, I know most of you here would have been singing along with me, at least in your minds. As our TMOD mentioned, blast from the past, when we rewind back the memories from the instances of the night, always makes us interested, isn't it?
Yes.
They are so close to us. The earth, the sun, the moon, stars, asteroids, comets, galaxies, Milky Way, much more, beyond and beyond in this universe. For the past billion years, we have been researching, yet many are still hidden. Since human beings were civilized, we have been trying and doing more researches on the known and lot more about the unknown. For about 100 years and more, we have been trying to find the most mystical in the universe. Any guesses from the crowd on what I signify as mystical in the universe?
Extraterrestrial.
Sorry?
Extraterrestrial.
Black hole.
Yes, it is the black hole. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and esteemed guests. As part of my today's speech, I am here to provide a brief glimpse on the effort involved in getting the first ever image of the black hole recently. Here's an artistic interpretation on how a black hole might look like. However, this is not the actual picture, but a computer graphic rendering. 100 years ago, Albert Einstein first published his theory of general relativity. Years since then, scientists have provided a lot of evidence in support of it. But one thing predicted from this theory, black holes were not directly observed. Although we have some idea about how a black hole might look like, we have never actually taken a picture of one before. However, things have changed now. Last year, April 2019, almost 10 years after the launch of the Event Horizon collaboration, the team has come up with the first ever image of the black hole, and it was a trending news then. The first picture of the black hole was possible by an international team of scientists, an Earth-sized telescope, and an algorithm that puts together to derive the first ever image of the black hole. I, as a person, have a huge interest in the field of computer imagery. So I was quite interested in knowing how the mystery of black hole got resolved with the help of machine learning artificial intelligence. And I came up with this speech. If you go out on the bright city lights tonight, you may just be lucky enough to see a stunning view of the Milky Way galaxy. If you could zoom past the millions of stars, 26,000 light years towards the heart of the spiraling Milky Way, we would eventually reach a cluster of stars right at the center. Peering past all the galactic dust with infrared telescopes, astronomers have watched these stars for over 16 years. But what they don't see is the most spectacular. These stars seem to orbit an invisible object. By tracking the path of these stars, astronomers have concluded that one thing small and heavy enough to cause such motion is a supermassive black hole. An object so dense that it sucks up anything that ventures too close, even light. However, this black hole is far away from us. That from Earth, this black hole is far away from us, that from Earth, this ring appears incredibly small, more like an orange on the surface of the moon. That makes taking a picture of it extremely difficult. So how big a telescope do we need in order to see an orange on the surface of the moon and by extension our black hole? Well, it turns out by crunching the numbers, you can easily compute that we would need a telescope equal to the entire Earth, equal to the entire size of the Earth. Is that possible? Building a single dish telescope equal to the Earth is impossible. But by connecting the telescopes across the globe, An international team called Event Horizon has come up with a computational telescope equal to the size of the Earth, capable of resolving structure on the scale of black hole's horizon. Every telescope in the worldwide network works together, linked through the precise timing of atomic clocks. Every telescope in the worldwide network works together, linked through the precise timing of atomic clocks. Astronomers, the researchers at each of these sites freeze light by collecting thousands of terabytes of data. This data later then get processed in a lab at Massachusetts. Thus, we were able to arrive at the first ever image of the black hole. An image of black hole from Chile at 7:58 a.m. At the same time, we capture an image at Arizona 3:58 a.m. We get a black hole image too. Both image at the same time, put together an algorithm that processed in the lab at Massachusetts. We arrive at the first ever image of the black hole. Though I would love to detail more about the algorithm, I would go for a day and more, all along talking about it. Hence, I would like to encourage all of you to learn more about the findings of the black hole. Thus push your knowledge on the boundaries of science. Though at first it may look to you as mysterious to you as a black hole. As being in Tamil Nadu, I would like to end this talk with a small snippet from a Tamil poem that is related to my topic. Galaxy ஒளி மந்தைகளை படகுகள் போல் காலவெளியில் உந்த செய்வது கருமை சக்தி. Galaxy ஒளி மந்தைகளை படகுகள் போல் காலவெளியில் உந்த செய்வது கருமை சக்தி. Over to you, Toastmaster.